Hi there, you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can block a specific country from your accessing WordPress website. I mean, how can you block a specific country visitors? Okay, so here you see a code, PHP code. We first of all we need to copy that code. After copy, you go to your website admin dashboard, and here left side you can see option theme file editor. Okay, theme file editor appearance, then theme file editor. Here you can see option that's called functions.php. Just click here and that code just paste here. Okay, after paste, here you remove the PHP here, remove this, and other things is okay. And for example purpose, I added some countries here. Okay, so now I add my country here. My country code Bangladesh, so I add it here for example purpose. Then updated file. Okay, after update file you can test yourself here. See, this is successfully added. Access denied. Access to the website from your location is restricted. Okay, thank you.